This program has helped me reach towards my goals by giving me the hands-on experience and knowledge so that I can do my own thing and also give me the opportunity to do jobs outside of school as well.
I chose to attend this program because there's many opportunities and different pathways I could choose, and whatever I would like to do, I could do with this program.
I think the best part about being in the program is getting to choose my own labs and projects.
The experience I really enjoyed in this class was wiring my first project. It was a light and 2 switches, and finishing it made me feel successful. No matter where you are around electricity, and to learn it is definitely a good thing.
We have a huge gap to fill in all trades, electrical being one of the main ones, where we do need people coming up through the ranks. If you have any interest in that trade field of electricity, this is a great starting point for you to learn the building blocks, to have a great start and get an entry-level job in our field.